The elk has stopped drinking, it senses something, but the wolves have already been watching for 40 minutes. This is how the gray wolf hunts. Not with speed, not with brute force, with patience, intelligence, and a collective mind that has no equal in the wild. The pack holds its position at the tree line, 7 animals, perfectly still. Each one reading the elk, reading the terrain, reading each other. No signal has been given, none needs to be. Gray wolves have lived and hunted this way for hundreds of thousands of years, a social architecture so refined, so precisely ordered, that ecologists regard the pack not merely as a group of animals, but as a single coordinated organism. The alpha pair leads, the subordinates flank, the youngest members learn simply by watching. The elk is large, perhaps 500 kilograms, a healthy adult in its prime. The wolves know this, and so they wait. This is the part that surprises people. Wolves routinely abandon a hunt. Studies in Yellowstone National Park documented that wolf packs attempt and withdraw from the majority of encounters, choosing not to commit when the odds are unfavorable. They do not hunt recklessly, they calculate. But tonight, something shifts. The elk moves away from the water towards softer ground. The alpha female rises, and the pack moves. What follows is not chaos, it is geometry. 2 wolves drive from the left, forcing the elk to turn. 3 more close the angle from the right. The terrain itself becomes a weapon. The elk, now running, is steered, not chased, toward a narrowing corridor of snow and fallen timber, where its massive size becomes a disadvantage. Wolves can sustain a pursuit across 12 kilometers or more. They do not tire the way their prey does. They communicate through glances, posture, and position. A silent language built over generations. The climax, when it comes, is decisive, swift. The pack works as one, and afterwards stillness returns to the valley. Ravens descend, the forest resumes its quiet. In the economy of the wilderness, nothing is wasted. The wolf does not take more than creation has provided. It takes exactly what it needs, and in doing so, keeps the entire living world in balance. This is not instinct alone. This is wisdom, ancient, given, and extraordinary.